government and the level crossing removal authority has announced and officially for the first time revealed exactly what is going to take place here in Blackburn. What's Waterman doing? Good morning, early birds. It's Waterman. We're in Blackburn. As you tuck into your brekkie and you ponder these questions, the Waterman questions from the Waterman tapes, Project Waterman. Now why is it significant, Waterman, I hear you say? Well, let me explain. But you might think I'm showing you just pictures of trains. I've got an obsession with trains, but no, what you're seeing. This concludes our tour for today. I'm not and I can't say more. No, thank you. I'm not recording your voice or anything. Like, I will record your voice, but the footage I'll wipe over it. And it's only like.
Apologise for any inconvenience caused.